We produced from the very beginning until the end a patient-specific implant which fits perfectly to the patient at the point of care. That means at the hospital, in this case, the University Hospital of Basel. We started in 2023 with the first 3D printed cranial implant, but we said we would like to provide much more indications or different anatomical regions where we can use implants. And in this case, we said we want to validate the workflow for patient-specific facial implants.
Which covers not only your chin area, but you can have augmentation of your face, whether it could be your cheek, your jaws or your forehead. So it's a whole spectrum that we can now cover it, and patients can really benefit from different kind of surgery and different kind of complexities that they suffer with. The benefit of these personalization implants is catering to the needs or specific aspects of a patient. The digital workflow, it starts with a CT scan of a patient, and from there we design the whole implant in-house. And after designing, we can also simulate or predict what kind of design features we need to integrate in a specific implant, which means going more onto the personalization. So my implant would be different to your implant. For our point of care manufacturing of implants, we have implemented quality management system into our whole digital workflow through a POCAP online platform. Together with our industrial partners like 3D Systems, which is our printer manufacturer, we have different kind of stakeholders working together into this whole digital workflow at the point of care.
This data will be transferred to the 3D printer, which is here at the University Hospital. We can print the implant with a material which is called PEEK. It behaves like bone. It is very stress resistant, and this can be done in a very short time frame. Surgery itself with patient-specific implants is not very complex. It means we can use very small surgical approaches. In this case, for the chin implant, we do a small cut in the lower lip region, not from outside, from inside. Then we can put in the perfectly fitting patient-specific implant.
Earlier, we used to rely on industrial partners, and the implant used to take a lot of time, even for the delivery for the patients. But by developing this whole in-house production workflow, what we have not only achieved like a shorter lead times, which means we can get our implants very quicker within a week time frame, and our patients can also achieve those kind of surgery in a more personalized manner. Establishing this whole point of care manufacturing workflow was really like an innovation that we established here at University Hospital Basel.
Ich habe mich sehr wohl gefühlt am Universitätsspital. Ich habe auch immer vollstes Vertrauen gehabt und ja, ich bin auch motiviert gewesen, weil für mich ist es wie so ein Upgrade mäßig. Mir geht es momentan sehr gut. Jetzt ist auch alles abgeschwollen. Ich spiele halt da manchmal noch ein bisschen Sport und habe noch ein bisschen Druckgefühl, aber sonst geht es mir sehr gut.
These implants are only available because we had a huge team effort. There are a lot of people that are contributing, and I'm super happy that we have this strong support from every side.